Yeah, hello again. I've made a video on how to repair the known problem with the upper brake light on your ML320, ML350, the W164 series Mercedes. So the problem's caused by the metal backing plate in the tail light, which acts as a circuit board. So the bulb holders actually draw their power through the zinc-coated metal plate. Now over time that zinc will oxidise, and particularly with the upper brake light, which is 21 watts, so it draws around 2 amps, so it generates heat, which causes the oxidation to happen more easily, and eventually the metal starts pitting and you lose electrical contact. So Mercedes have put out a wiring repair kit, but it's much easier to make your own and far cheaper. So I'll show you how to do it, and thank you very much for watching. So you can buy the official Mercedes repair kit, or you can make your own for a few cents. So this is the left-hand side, and it already has the official Mercedes repair kit. So all they do is remove the wire from the connector here. It's the fourth one up from the bottom. And then that wire gets put into this connector, and it sends the power directly to the bulb holder. And then the other wire is just earthed. So that's bolted to the earthing point down here. Let's check what size cabling we need. Let's take the bulb out. So it's a 21 watt, 12 volt. All you need to know is P equals VI. That's power equals volts times amps. So in other words, amps is equal to power divided by volts. So in this case it's 21 watts. And let's assume the battery's a bit on the low side. Let's call it 11 volts. And that's equal to 1.9 amps. So that's all you need for this bulb. But you have to think of the mechanical considerations. A 2 amp cable is way too small, it'll just break too easily. So I've got some 7.5 amp cable here, which is about ideal for this application. So that's what we'll make our repair kit from. Now we need to remove these metal contacts. So on the side here, there's a little tab that you squeeze in, a little locking tab. So I'm using this blue wire for the positive terminal. That needs to be 200 millimeters long. And then keep with the Mercedes wiring colours, which is brown for negative or for earth wires. So I'm using a 400 millimeter long earth wire. So we're going to solder our leads onto the metal clips. So locate the fourth wire from the bottom on the connector. In this case it's red and black, but the colours will differ depending on the model. And then solder your blue wire onto that wire. So I just cut a bit of insulation off, soldered it on, wrapped it with insulation tape and put a cable tie around so the tape won't come off. And the other side, the left hand side, is the same, fourth wire from the bottom.